Do you enjoy playing football?
Yes, I do.
Do you speak English?
I can speak English a bit.
Can I help you?
No, thanks.
How can I help you?
No, thanks, I'm just looking.
Would you like a cup of tea?
Yeah, it would be great.
Would you like something to eat?
I'd like to have lunch.
What would you like?
I'd like a glass of orange juice.
What time is it?
It's 6 p.m.
What's the time?
It's 6 p.m.
Could you tell me the time, please?
It's 6 o'clock in the afternoon.
Have you ever been to America?
I've been there 3 times.
Why are you learning English?
I need it for my job.
How do you learn English?
I learn English by myself.
What's the weather like today?
It's hot and sunny.
Where were you yesterday?
I was at home all day.
Where did you go yesterday?
I went to the park.
What did you do yesterday?
I played computer games for 2 hours, then I went for a walk with my friends.
What will you do tomorrow?
I think I'll stay at home.
Do you often go abroad?
Several times a year.
Do you live in a house or a flat?
I live in a house.
Can you swim?
Yes, I can.
Can you drive a car?
No, I can't.
Do you have a girlfriend?
No, I don't.
Do you live alone?
No, I live with my parents.
Do you like cooking?
Not really.